In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert column in Excel. Whether you're cleaning up data, adding a new field for calculations, or reorganizing your sheet, inserting a column is quick and safe when you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, look at the top of your worksheet where the column letters appear: A, B, C, and so on. This is the top panel, often called the column header row. Move your mouse to the letter of the column that sits where you want the new column to go, then right-click directly on that letter. Right-clicking the letter selects the entire column and opens a context menu with the correct options for column actions, rather than cell actions. Before you proceed, pause for a moment to confirm you've clicked the correct column. The entire column should be highlighted from top to bottom, and the letter at the top should look selected. This matters because Excel inserts new columns to the left of the column you selected. For example, if you right-click on column C and insert, the new column will appear as the new C, and what used to be column C will shift to column D. Keeping this in mind helps you place the new column exactly where you intend and prevents shifting important data or formulas out of alignment. With the correct column highlighted and the context menu open, click Insert. Excel will immediately create a new blank column to the left of your selected one. You'll see all existing columns to the right move over by one position. Any formulas referencing those cells will automatically adjust to maintain their references, which helps protect your calculations. Excel will also apply formatting that blends with nearby columns so your sheet stays consistent. Take a moment to review the result. Check your headers and any adjacent formulas to ensure everything still lines up logically. If you were preparing space for a new data field, like a date, category, or an ID, this is the time to type in that header and start entering values. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo the change and try again. A couple of quick tips to work more confidently. Make sure you're clicking the column letter, not an individual cell, so the insert option applies to the whole column. And remember the left insert rule. Excel always places the new column to the left of your selection. That's all there is to it. Right-click the column letter, confirm it's the spot you want, and click Insert. You've now inserted a column in Excel with precision and confidence.